I'd be lying if I didn't say that my lips are on fire right now.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Before I start this video, just giving you guys a heads up. My son is here in the room. He only wants mommy right now. And yes, he might start complaining at a point of time because that's just what he does. But yeah, I'm just giving you guys a heads up just in case you hear him crying or complaining or yelling mama or something. Okay, so today we are going to review some Rare Beauty makeup products, and I am so excited to do this because Rare Beauty is by Selena Gomez, and I've always been a Selena Gomez fan since I was a young girl from like Disney Channel times, right? So I'm really excited. She came up with a makeup line, and you already know your girl had to go get some products to see if the stuff she came out with is even going to, you know, go with my melanin, if you know what I mean. A lot of times you'll have people come out with makeup lines and you try it on darker skin like me and it just does not go together. So I wanted to try it out today. I went to Sephora and I got 3 of her matte lip creams. So the first one I got is Ascend, and it's a pink one. I never wear a pink lip, so I'm really excited to see how pink is going to look like on me. And the other one is Fearless, and it looks like a cranberry dark lip. So I'm also excited to try this one on because I feel like it's fall and there's nothing more sexy than a dark lip with like a leather jacket in fall. You guys aren't ready for my style. And I also got Inspire. So Inspire is a very bright red from what I'm looking at. It's very vibrant. So you guys already know how I feel about red lips. I mean, if you haven't seen my black owned red lipstick video, I will probably put that link down below, and I will also put it at the end of this video so you can go check it out and see the best black owned red lipsticks that you can buy for yourself. Before I really start this video, do you guys notice anything different about me? Anything different about my makeup or anything? Yes? No? Well, let me tell you what's different. My eyebrows are a different color, right? Yes. And that's because I also got the Brow Harmony Pencil and Gel from Rare Beauty. And this is how it looks. This first end kind of has like one end is like this, right? It has the thicker end, so I'm guessing this is the pencil. The other one is the gel part, which is this right here. So it's like a spoolie in gel. And to achieve this eyebrow look, I actually used the gel part, and I picked it in the color Warm Auburn. But without further ado, let's start this. But you guys already know what I'm gonna tell you. Subscribe, comment down below, and share with your friends. Okay, so the first one I'm going to try is Ascend. The packaging is super cute. The feeling is really nice. I know this has nothing to do with the actual product, but I think packaging is very important too. I guess because it's matte, they made it like a matte type of material. But anyways, let me put this on. And to try it on, I'm gonna use my Morphe Contour Mirror.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. Here you'll find nothing. Just give it up.
Okay, you guys, so this is actually just one layer of it. I don't know, what do you guys think? I never do pink, and I'm like, should I change my mind? Let me know in the comment section if you guys like pink on me, because this is super cute. I didn't even think that I would like it, to be honest, but I really like it. So one thing I realized about this lipstick, well, this lip cream, is that as I'm putting it on, it's super matte. There's some matte lipsticks that you put on and it just takes, it's super wet and it takes long to actually get matte and dry. And then when it gets dry, it's super, super dry. No, like this got matte right away and it's not drying at all. I might just start doing pink lips. Let me know if you guys love it. I'm actually gonna try to do a second layer to see if it's gonna be even more vibrant and to see if I like it even more. Let's just see.
Girl, 'cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. gets better.
You guys, it's even more vibrant now and I'm falling even more in love with it. I'm not joking. I did not think that pink went with our skin color, but I like it. Honestly, I really do like it. Let me actually show you guys a close-up. It's super matte, but at the same time, it's still super moisturizing. Anyways, let me finish this video before the light. Look at the lighting, it's so up and down. It's raining today, guys, and I only work on natural lighting. I need to actually get myself some lighting, so if you guys know a good like light that I can get, let me know. That's close to natural light, because I love working with natural light. All right, now let's go try the other one. The next one is Fearless. It looks like it's a dark cranberry color, but now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't look so dark, but we'll try it on.
To care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way if you
okay. So I was completely wrong when I thought that it was like a dark color. It's actually kind of like a light pink. I don't know why I thought it was dark. Maybe it's because the packaging, I don't know. Look at the packaging, you guys. I thought it was gonna be dark, but it's not. I don't know what to think about this one. I think that it's really pretty, but I think that I should line it with a lip liner so it could blend better with my skin. I always use Chestnut by MAC Cosmetics, so I'm gonna put that around my lips right now, and then we'll see if I like it a little bit better.
I'll give you a problem, alright. If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong.
Okay, now we're talking. Yes, okay. What's wrong? Okay, yeah, like with the lip liner, this is so gorgeous. It's a nice nude pink. Yeah, I really thought though that it was like a darker color, but it's not, which is completely fine too, because at least I really like it with the lip liner. Here is a close-up so you guys can see. Let me know what you guys think. Now we're going to try Inspire, and Inspire looks like a very vibrant red, like I said, so we'll try it on and we'll see.
This is my time, I'm feeling good, rule every party, see how I shine when I'm alone, nothing can stop me.
You guys don't even need to say anything. This is gorgeous. Sorry guys, I keep looking at myself in the lens to see how it looks. It's so pretty. So I was right, this is a vibrant red. You guys know how I feel about my red lipsticks. Like, this is super nice. I'm actually gonna try to put another layer to see if it goes even more vibrant red and to see if I like it even more.
Stop me. You should go out, meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around. I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I.
Yeah, so it's even more vibrant red now, and I am loving it. By the way, so these are fairly easy to take off your lips. It's not like other matte lipsticks that are super hard to take off. No, like this is, it was pretty easy to take it off. I mean, I'd be lying if I didn't say that my lips are on fire right now from putting on, taking off, putting on, taking off. But let me know what you guys think, or let me know which one is your favorite one. I'll do a close-up for you guys. But yeah, anyways, so this is it for now. I hope that you guys like the swatches. I'm loving it. Rare Beauty did an amazing job. Selena Gomez, I am so proud of you. You made a line that, you know, us dark-skinned women can actually rock too, so that's always important. That's always really good. Versatility, that's always what I'm looking for. I'm actually gonna go get some more of them to swatch for you guys. Let me know if there's a specific color that you want me to get. Let me know down in the comments below, or even let me know on my Instagram. I'm really surprised with how amazing this looks on me. But then again, that's just my personal opinion. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below everything you want me to see. If there's a makeup line that you're not sure about and you want me to review it, just let me know. Again, I don't even know if you guys can hear Baby Shark in the background right now, but like I said, if you're a parent, if you know, you know. Survival, okay. Yeah, like I was saying, just let me know if there's anything that you guys want me to review for you. I love watching YouTube videos like this because who really wants to waste their money on something, right? So I will waste my money for you guys. Anything you guys want to see, let me know so I could do a review for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
Meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around.